market and its growth constantly demand its evolution according to the pace of life of buyers. Currently, there are different technological options in terms of electronic payments. It is important to know these trends and developments, and know alternatives for sellers and consumers, automating processes, improving services, and increasing profits. Chips. Smart cards have an integrated microcircuit that allows you high security in every payment validating data. For banks, this means being able to offer more segmented and personalized services. Dynamic keys is about managing passwords through your cell phone in such a way that it certifies your payment and guarantees security. The difference with a static key is that it will not be the same and will only be valid for a few minutes. Mobile payments. The digital currency allows you to use your cell phone to make payments, transfer funds, recharge a service, among others. It also offers confidence in payments due to the fact that, secondly, it receives notifications of all the processes that it has carried out. Contactless cards. They work as an electronic payment with the same speed and ease. The person who uses this method should only bring their card to a secure terminal that has this technology, so your transaction will be fast and secure. E-commerce. Purchases by internet refers to an electronic transaction where there is no geographical limitation. Normally, the sites that use this function have very detailed information and loyal customers due to the confidence generated by buying them on that website.